Okay, 1, 2, testing. Testing, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. All right, so we have a couple of good setups right now for the US Open. Okay, so we do have that continuation. Yeah, I figured it was going to be a continuation long for the DXY. So let's have a look at this. Oh boy. Yeah. So let's wait for that break of the highs here on the DXY before we start to look for long setups on the US dollar. This is going to perhaps leave a very good opportunity here on a inefficiency. So if you want to chat with me, just subscribe to the channel. That's all you need to do. Gold continues to show weakness after hitting the all-time highs here. So I am all right. So good morning, Eric. How are you? I am looking for specific setups that I'm going to share with you in a bit. Uh, all right. Good morning, Crypto Nas 100. My thoughts? Yeah. Good morning, Khalid. I'm gonna go through Nasdaq. So on the U.S. equity side, I am looking, waiting for, hold on, settings. I cannot see my, yeah, something like this. I can't see my candle, so I am going to, body of the candle should be black and black and with a week. All right, so here we go. And white. There you go. So, hold on. I'm gonna go off screen for this because I don't want to show you which or the name of that oscillator that I'm using for the F1 strategy defeats the purpose. So here we go. Very nice, very nice. So I'm waiting for a possible U.S. equities long, right? Waiting for true divergence to create here. We already had true divergence, to be completely honest, between this low and this low. Um, but price still remains on the range. So I'm just waiting for price to pull back again to my buy zone to get involved long on the Nasdaq specifically, and the US30, US 500, no setup. The one that I dig the most is the US, oh boy, um, US 30. Let's see, US one. I mean, US 100 or Nasdaq yields a better risk to reward ratio, but it's practically the same. Tried AF question about your bottom right screen. How did you get it to show the different sessions like this? With the squares, it's 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 this you know indicator called Asian session range. What broker do you use? Think Markets. But because I am trading with, a prop firm. Can you can you increase your voice? Is that it's at the top, so you're gonna have to increase your volume on your side. All right, so the market is about to open. Not too much going on, but focusing on silver. Just waiting on silver to show me direction at the open, right? I do believe that this is a liquidity sweep to the downside. I don't have a setup yet. Liquidity sweep to the downside, so I'm waiting for it. You know what? I'm going to work my chart so you can actually appreciate what I'm thinking, right? So, thinking about this possibly being a liquidity sweep, right? Below the London session lows. For me to have a bullish setup, I need the New York session highs to be broken with to have a true market structure shift right here. Targets, I could in fact be targeting this inefficiency in the market. This is looking to be a very, very nice target. Uh, Something like this. So let's just wait and see for the open. Then normally there are big spreads on silver, but that's fine. I mean that's kind of the price of doing business, right? So this is the hottest one. Now on the pound USD side. Now if you notice, mates, um, all right. So before we go any further, we need direction on the U.S. dollar. You know, our price broke with the Asian session highs, right? Big breakout, came back down, and now is failing to break with the London session highs, creating a double top. This is a very strong sign of possible liquidity sweep before price goes down, right? But double tops, double bottoms normally are traps for longs and shorts. So let's wait for the open just to figure this out because there's a possible short here at this imbalance. Uh, um, on the this is a protected high, very nice protected high created above the previous highs, liquidating the previous highs. This is a very nice short setup with a very, very, very big risk to reward ratio. This is the one that I'm looking to trade today, guys. At the open, should we have a bullish continuation on the US dollar. Now, targets could be, in fact, this double bottom right here, liquidity, and remember that those are traps. So, and the market does one thing and two things only. It draws liquidity or it fills imbalances, right? So I have a 3.36 R here on the GBP USD. Possible 3.36 R. I'm gonna be ready for this. GBP USD. Where are you? Any questions? Just post it on the chat. And if you want to chat with me, remember that you need to subscribe to the channel. Where the fuck is my? Oh, here it is. GBP USD. Where in the hell? Well, I don't have that imbalance here on. Oh, this is the 3 minute chart. I guess I'll just 25 to 25 740 or something like this. 25,740. So here. All right. I am going to be ready. Sell limit. What? I already. I don't understand. Market is about to open, guys, so I'm gonna reach 0.5% on this possible short here. I don't understand why this isn't working. Market just opened. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Actually, you know what? I'll probably wait for this. I'll probably wait for this setup. Yeah, the one that I'm trying to use is a very affordable. All right, I'm gonna go short here on a pound US dollar. I can't calculate my risk quite. It's a 10 pips risk. So if I want to risk $500, that will be 5 lots. 4 lots. 4 lots shorting the pound USD right now. Boom. Stop loss above these highs and the targets right here. Sending this to my VIPs right now. I'm just going to do the same on my other challenge account. Short on the USD right here. Stop loss and targets. There you go. Sending this to my VIPs. All right. All right, I'm selling at market here, my JPUSD. So I sold at market at what price? 25,695. 1.25695. Stop loss is at 25. Let's see. Stop loss 25. I'm gonna do 40. TP. I'm gonna do 43. This is my stop loss. What the hell happened here? Yeah, hold on. I don't know what happened here. TP. All right, so just a second, guys. All right. So this is sent to my VIPs. Trade is in profit. Trade is in profit. We're good. We are good. Spot on sniper entry here. Short on the pound Japanese, the pound US dollar. All right. So that's about it on my side. That's how I look at US equities. Oh, I forgot about it. So, but there was no setup to go long US equities. That's fine. So this also did not play out. This is the one that played out. All right. So here's that market structure shift. So this is what I'm going to send to my VIPs because this is the actual setup. Uh, yeah. So any questions? Any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, I will log out. There's no reason for me to be here if I'm not helping you guys out. Uh, Very possibly we'll be looking at the Asian session lows for targets. Structure high. 4.3R to Asian session lows. And yeah, that's the setup. Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, let's see if this runs in our favor or not. Andrea Trade Manager is the one I am looking to buy into. The one that I use is this one. The one that I use, this one, it's 10 pounds a month. It's amazing. All right, guys. So, any questions about anything at all? More than happy to answer your questions. So, I'm going to move uh, my stop losses to below the Asian session lows, right here, for a 4.3R. All right, good. Let's see here. Moving my TP lower to moving my TP lower to the Asian session lows. O's at this. All right, so that's my trade for the day. I don't think I'm going to be placing more trades, guys. I mean, today was a very slow day for me, and oh, I thought that the name Eric was Andrea Trade Manager. So this is my only trade for the day. I reckon very slow day, a very slow day. So yeah. If you don't have any questions, I am going to log out. Maybe I'll come back live later in a bit. Once this trade develops. But I don't feel there's a reason for me to keep on, my stream on. Is it's yeah, I have a ton of things to do. Well, how many trades I place per day? I never place more than 3 trades per day. And the reason for this is the math. behind it because there's only three. Four outcomes, right? That I win the two of them, so I'm in profit. That I miss the first, that I lose the first, and I actually just placed two. I'm sorry, two trades per day. I'm sorry, I haven't had my coffee. Yeah. So the outcomes is that I win the both of them, so I'm in profit for the day. The second outcome is that I lose the first one and I win the second, so I'm in profit, so I'm done for the day. And the third is that I win the first one and then I lose the second one, so I'm in profit, so I'm done for the day. And um, and the last one is that I lose both of them, so I am down for the day. So there's 3 out of 4 scenarios where I'll be profitable. It's just math. Yeah, I think I fucked up the uh, on the you know. Yeah, I think I fucked up. All right, so doesn't matter. TP. No. Yeah, I mean the TP is 25,250, 25,250. No, that's the right one. 25 GBP USD, GBP USD, TP. Yeah, it is. Look at this. It is 25,250 TP. Yep, it is. So a bit of a drawdown right now, which is fine. On the DXY, on the 3-minute chart, is what I'm looking at here. Just a pullback to buy zones right about here. So, drawdowns really are nothing to be afraid of. Let's have a look at some other markets, shall we? Oh boy, look at this. So let's see if we can get some entries on this market. Wow. So possible shorts maybe. Let's have a look on the US30. Possible shorts on the US30. Let's wait and see what happens here on the US30. Okay. So if you like what you're seeing, just subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Yep. Also, I gotta go because I gotta go buy some dog stuff because there was this stray dog. Her name is Cinnamon, Canela, right? And she had 7 puppies, so right now those puppies are in my house. I wasn't going to leave them, to die, on the wild because I live in a woodsy zone and I live in the tropics, so it's a tropical forest, right? So there's snakes and everything. So yeah, they're probably are going to get eaten. But no, right now they're here. So I gotta go buy some puppy supply. Okay, man. So a little bit of drawdown on this trade, which is fine. Uh huh. So hold on. 2584. Just a second, guys. Uh-huh. Right. So I place a second entry on my other challenge account. I'm not going to show you because it's not a VIP trade. I trade those two accounts very differently. One more aggressive than the other. The reason is that the whole idea is to get funded fast, right? If not, I just restart it. All right, cool beans. So I'm gonna log out. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.